everybody? I'm back. Part 2 of JR's long tube headers installation. We're gonna go head out and pick it up. Well, actually, I'm heading out to his crib. Gonna go pick his ass up and then head out all the way to Homestead, get his car. Then after that, we have to go to we're driving all the way to Jupiter for to the tracks. And we're gonna do some, it's gonna be my first time doing some runs. Well, hopefully, because the way how the weather is. People, check it out, my people. See how it is? It's cloudy, it was raining, it was sunny before, it was cloudy, it was raining before. I don't know, but look at my baby right there. See her? Hey Zoe, how are you? Yeah, that's my baby, she's waiting for me. So anyway guys, heading out. I got my camera thing hooked up to my car and go pick this guy up and make a Wawa run like always. All right, let's hear this baby. I was gonna race this guy, but he's doing a good deed, so I'll leave him alone. What's up, guys? Well, I just arrived here, waiting for JR to come, and he's not here yet. This guy's always running late. After this, now he has to get me something at Wawa's. Wow, look how close I was backing up. I almost hit this pole. Lucky I have a backup camera. I caught it real quick. Guys, it has been literally 40 minutes that I've been here waiting for this guy, and he's still not here. We got this right here. It took us 50 minutes. It took him 50 minutes. This guy.
Within time.
Yeah. 50 minutes.
He just
50
finished.
minutes.
Oh, he didn't just finish. He's about to finish.
Told you guys. Told you I was gonna come here. It's raining, guys. It's raining. Once again. Heading to Homestead. It's raining again. At least my co-pilot's not sleeping.
Yep. I'm awake today.
Yep. So guys, we finally made it. I'm gonna go check out the car, see what's up. All right. Finally got the car. He's just retuning it, and then we'll get to hear the car. Let's see if we can see it. Yeah, there you go. Wow. Oh, way down there. Can't wait to hear this shit. Look at my baby right there. Look at this guy's car. Shit's sick. Love it. Yeah. You're gonna take me for a ride? Huh?
You want to?
Take me for a ride now? If you want. You know what? Another time.
Yeah.
Definitely another time.
Track. How much tires are?
Yeah.
They have to be.
Damn. Next time, boys and girls. Next time I'll get a ride on this thing. I'm ready when you are, brother. I'm gonna test it. It's loud. When I tell you it's loud, it's loud. Way louder.
So I can't hear unless I'm out.
I smell all that gas too. Come check these guys out. Does a good job. Right here, this is the address. phone number. Give them a call. If you have a Mustang, we'll hook you up. Restore anything you want. So guys, man, that car sounds awesome, man. He did a good job with that car. Just sounds totally different, man. Shit, he did a good job, bro. So anyways, from right now, we're off to Jupiter, to the racetrack. So that's gonna be a hike. So anyway, we'll catch you over there.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Hey, what's up, guys? Sorry to cut the video. I just want to let you guys know that I couldn't find the rest of the video from the track. We didn't even get to race. It was too late. We got there late and it was pointless. But I did get to see Ray, got to see Pito, Felipe, and we just hung out for a little bit and we just left. So enjoy the rest.
Oh shit, hey, you got paperwork, bro? You trying to race, bro? Here come our clones, bro. Look, these boys came out here ready to race, bro. What's going on, man? Damn, that's my Z clone. I'm his clone too. The S550 clones. You guys kind of look like brothers too.